Kung nakatayo, umupo. Okay, so hi everyone. Good morning. Okay, so okay lang ba kayo?
Yes!
Okay, alhamdulillah. So by the way, I am CTSPM Magdara. So just call me Ma'am Ash if you have a question. Yes, Ma'am Ash. Okay, so me. Okay, so please, pakitingin ng mga upuan kung naka-arrange ba. Pulutin ang mga pieces of paper. Okay, so huwag kayong magtulakan. Okay, sit down na yung nakapulat. Okay, faster. Yes, yes, sister. Okay, okay, sit down na, sit down. Okay, sit down. Oh, sit down na, sit down. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, so please stand up for our prayer, silent prayer. Stand up, everyone. Pag maingay, ah. Okay, so remind standing kasi may gagawin tayo na energizer. So, kinupos ko to para sa lesson natin. Okay, so ako muna yung gagawa and then after me, follow me, ah. Okay, so up and down and say move, move, move. Up and down and say move, move, move. Move to the right and move to the left. Turn around and move, move, move. Up and down and tweet, tweet, tweet. Up and down and tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet to the right and tweet to the left. Turn around and tweet, tweet, tweet. Up and down and quack, quack, quack. Up and down and quack, quack, quack. Quack to the right and quack to the left. Turn around and quack, quack, quack. Okay, so thank you. Please sit. Okay, maya. Okay, so sino ba ang mahilig dito ng mga animals? Okay, so anyone who can give me kung ano yung gusto ng animals? You? Okay, you? Anong gusto ng animals? Oh yeah, stand up. Stand up. Okay, ano yung gusto mong animals? Monkey, wow. Thank you. Shark, shark, shark. Thank you. Cat, very good. Cat, dog. Dito na naman. Ikaw? Louder, please. Lion. Gusto niya dahil lion. Okay. Rabbit daw ang gusto niya. Okay, ikaw? A cat. Okay, thank you. Okay, so may okay? Natama na. Wow, shark. Hindi ba kayo natatakot sa shark? Okay, sit down. Mamaya na yung pretty. Okay, so may papakita ako ng picture. Okay, may papakita ako dito ng picture na sabihin nyo kung anong animal siya. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes!
Handa na ba? Handa na ba? Okay, so ito. Anong animal ito? Okay, deer. Very good. Okay, this one? Okay, pangatlo, dapat ma-explain nyo that animals have a body parts that help them survive. Okay, so, pakibasa po. Okay. Lahat kayo? Di ba ang mga animals is magkakaiba sila ng body at saka tinitirahan. Di ba? Okay, magkaiba sila ng mga katawan para mabuhay. Mamaya na yan ang pag-uusapan nyo, ha? Para mabuhay, para makasurvive sa mundong ito. Di ba tulad natin ng mga tao? Okay, nakakasurvive tayo because of our body. Kasi yung kamay natin kumakain tayo. Okay, yes? Yes, very good. Okay, so, horn. Okay, so did you know what is horn? Okay, so give me idea what is horn. If you know it. Okay, you? Okay, give me idea what is horn. Okay, kapag kayo makakasagot, bibigyan ko ng prize. Yes, dapat mag-participate kayo sa mga tanong ko. Okay, so horns is yan yung keratinous appendage that grow from the frontal portion of the skull in a certain animal. Okay, so